Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Movie Recapped. I am going to explain movie Bahubali, The Beginning. This movie was released in 2015. Movie start with an injured woman carrying an infant who is running away from some soldiers and reach near to a big waterfall. She successfully kills those followers, but all of the sudden she slip and fall into the river. Some villagers come to her for help, but unfortunately only child survives. A couple of nearby village adopt the child, names him Shiva. Shiva grew up with many traits. He has been very active, naughty, and strong since his childhood, and he always been curious to know what is on the top of waterfall, and has been tried multiple unsuccessful attempts to reach there in spite of his mother's descent. He loves his foster parents but does not know they are not his biological parents. One day he find a mask come down with stream from the mountain stop, which motivates him even more to go up there and eventually get success, where he sees a woman Avantika who is fighting fearlessly like a warrior and kill many people. This makes a good impression on Shiva. So he follows Avantika and his group, listen to them talking about freeing their queen Devsena, who is imprisoned in palace, and the mission to free the queen is given to Avantika. Then a majestic kingdom Maheshmati is introduced to us, where many atrocities has been going on common people, and the emperor is Bhillal Dev, who is a very strong but very cruel emperor, and his father is Bijal Dev, who is a partly handicapped person. And then we see Kattappa, who is a great swordsman, a very kind person, and most important, a loyal slave of the kingdom. In the next scene, we see Bhallal Dev has been torturing Devsena by taunting her about her condition because she was shackled to the heavy chains in the center of open hall of the palace and chose Bahubali instead of him. Now she is living in a miserable condition. In alone time, Katappa asks Devsena to free her, but she refuses by saying her son will come one day to save the Maheshmati. Then we see Shiva always been following Avantika. After some dramatic and romantic scenes, they start liking each other. Avantika tells Shiva about her mission, which is her priority, and then Shiva makes her mission his own of saving the queen. Shiva disguises himself to enter the palace where Emperor's birthday celebration preparations were going on. Shiva saves some people's life by stopping a huge statue falling down on them. Someone identify him and start calling Bahubali. Whole palace starts echoing with the name Bahubali and becomes a joyful environment for a moment. Bhallal Dev and his father gets furious to see this. In dark, Shiva puts one part of palace into fire to save Devsena. He feels some attachment after seeing Devsena and saves her. Whole palace gets into chaos. Katappa follows Shiva. Meanwhile, in an open place, Avantika with his people reach there. Shiva's foster parents with some villagers also arrives. Shiva killed the prince in fight, which makes Katappa angry. So an intense fight happens where Katappa was almost about to stab the Shiva, but sees his face in lightning and calls him Bahubali. To hear this, everyone kneels down. Out of confusion, Shiva asks what is happening here. Katappa narrates the story. Scene goes 50 years back when the emperor of Maheshmati was Vikram Dev, younger brother of Bijal Dev. Bijal Dev was offended for not making him king and used to think his physical disability behind it, which was not true. Bijal Dev and Shivgami had a son together, Bhallal Dev. Vikram Dev dies when his wife was 6 months pregnant, and while giving birth, she also passed away. Shivgami named the child Amrendra Bahubali, and she took all the responsibilities from functioning of kingdom to upbringing of both children. She announced only deserving one will be the next king. Both children brought up equally and trained well. They were brave and intelligent but had a major difference between them. Bahubali was kind, down to earth, and always used to think of the well being of people, whereas Bhallal Dev was a selfish and corrupt minded since his childhood. One day, huge fight happened between Maheshmati kingdom and Kalkes. Kalkes was very cruel, and his army was 4 times more than Maheshmati's army. Shivgami asked Bahubali and Bhallal Dev to lead. Before battle, Kalkes insult Shivgami. So Shivgami says Bahubali and Bhallal Dev to bring Kalkes alive to her. Before fight, Bhallal Dev captured more and important weapons by cheating. However, Bahubali fought diligently with less weapons. All fought bravely. Bhallal Dev killed many enemies, but many innocent people were also got killed, whilst Bahubali took into consideration of people and never let any innocent die. In the end, Maheshmati won. Bhallal Dev killed Kalkes. By observing all the incidents, Shivgami announced Amrendra Bahubali the next emperor of the kingdom. Everybody was happy from this proclamation except Bhallal Dev and Bijal Dev. Scene come back to present. Everyone gets to know Shiva is Bahubali's son. They seem surprised but happy as well, including Shiva's foster parents. Shiva asks Katappa to meet his father. In response, Katappa says he is not alive. Shiva asks how can such a brave person die? Who killed him? Katappa says I killed Amrendra Bahubali. Movie ends here. There are two parts of this series, and the next part explained video will come tomorrow. Thanks for watching.